Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to make the easy stir-fried beef and potato cubes in black pepper sauce. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. I prefer to buy frozen beef cubes, but you may also use fresh beef steak and cut it into 1-inch cubes. Mix marinades first. Oyster sauce, soy sauce, sugar, white pepper, and black pepper. Egg, add cornstarch, then mix well. Always wipe dry meat after washing. Add beef cubes to marinades, then mix well. Marinate for 30 minutes. Peel and cut potato into 1-inch cubes. Mix potato cubes with 10 grams of oil. Preheat air fryer at 370 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes, then pour the potato cubes in it. Air fry at 370 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Shake basket or flip the potato cubes. Air fry for another 5 minutes. Potato will become golden brown, then scoop out. Mix the sauce now. Oyster sauce, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, Lea and Perrins, sugar, then mix together. We also need cooking wine. Cut onion and red pepper into strips. Minced shallot and garlic. Add 10 grams oil into the beef cubes. Heat pan and add 1 tablespoon oil. When the pan is hot, add beef cubes into the pan. Pan fry all sides of beef at high heat for a total of 2 minutes. Scoop out the beef. To medium heat now and use the oil in pan to saute the onions. Add shallots and garlic and continue to saute until fragrant. Add red pepper and cooking wine. Add sauce and hot water, then continue to saute until the sauce is reduced and becomes a bit thick. Add half teaspoon of black pepper. Turn to high heat, then add beef cubes, potato cubes, saute briefly. Scoop out. The yummy beef and potato cubes in black pepper sauce is now ready to serve. Enjoy!